Cut my rope with some booze and shit right here. Mind of a Maniac. Nothing will ever compare to this song. But like, here we go. Here we go. I stay beside these niggas killing, paranoid. I got a feeling that there's money on my head. I'm wanted, man. I'ma be here till the end, either dead or in the pen. Show you haters how it's done. I always win. Dedicated to this money, nigga, I'ma get it. Loyal to the game and all the riches coming with it. And you wonder why the street's so hard, cause when the hood's in charge, you gotta fight to get yours to start. Gotta hustle, gotta eat, getting cut up like some meat. All this blood is at my feet, I ain't playing, man. Get your weight up, or you could end up made up rich as I flip these bricks, and I'm straight up. The dope game make it tight, so we go and get it. Water with the pirate's pot, fuck it up and catch a sentence. Don't get busted, be niggas who can't be trusted. Keep your mouth stuck, tipped or unlocked. We ain't stunting, man. They ain't running us off, they ain't showing us out. Don't Bill, that nigga, man, he refused to get caught. You know what I'm talking about, my niggas ain't no dropouts. Do this shit without a doubt or a single motherfucking question. This is being easy, I ain't even gotta try. Got 'em blowing kisses every time I drive by. Got money too, bro, man, I always stay high. Smoking on some Indo shit, one day I might die, or I just might get too Thug mention with a ransom, and you know I'm taking pensions, and I keep this shit on 100G. KO is my home dog, that's what it be.